Hey guys, thanks for watching. I'm Jessie Sage, and if you haven't been to my channel before, one of the very first videos I did was about how to color your hair with henna, and since then I've done quite a few videos about it with tips and tricks all about how you can color your hair with henna and its benefits for growing your hair longer, thicker, and shinier. So I'm really excited because this is about how to condition your hair, make it shinier and healthier, and bring all the healthy benefits of regular henna without adding any color. So if that's what you're looking for, then let's get started. So this is what I'm using today, and it is Light Mountain Natural Conditioner, it says on the front, and it says neutral also. So this is the only one in the range that just says conditioner. All of the other ones usually say hair color and conditioner on the front, so this one is different because of two reasons that I know of. One is that this is a blend of cassia and henna, so cassia doesn't have the same coloring properties, but it does have a lot of the good conditioning properties and shine properties. And then also, when you mix this henna, pay attention, I'll make a note, because you don't let it sit and let the dye release. I wanted to try this on my hair because I've tried the Light Mountain henna for a long time and I really love it, and I love the benefits that it brings to my hair. But I didn't want to add any color this time because I just recently, I have to admit, I kind of messed up my roots a little bit. I was trying to kind of get back to my natural hair color just because I was like, I don't know what color I want right now. So I was just gonna kind of throw a chemical dye on there and just wait and see what I wanted to change to. But I kind of ended up damaging my roots. I had to color my hair 2 times, I think, within like 2 days, which is not good for your hair. And so since I didn't want to add any color, I was like, well, maybe I'll try the neutral because I've always seen it. So I wanted to bring back strength to my hair and add some protein and give it some more body and shine because it had kind of been through the ringer. And I thought it would be a great experiment also to show you guys, because whether you have blonde hair, blue hair, black hair, you always want to do a strand test, of course, and just make sure that it's not changing your hair color to something that you don't prefer. But whatever hair color you have, you can add a neutral henna conditioner. So I think that's really cool that anyone can use it. So here's what you're going to need. Your neutral henna, and here's what it looks like outside of the box. You need to use distilled water because you want to make sure the water doesn't have any contaminants in it. And you want to use a non-metal mixing tool, so a little plastic spoon will work perfectly. You don't want to use any metal in the entire process because metal can sometimes react adversely with the henna and give you a weird color that you don't want. So make sure that you're not using any bobby pins or anything like that. I like to mix the powder little by little into the water and kind of work out any lumps as I go. If you just dump the whole thing in there, then it can kind of be too much for the liquid that you have, and then it can get kind of dry. You can add up to 4 more ounces of extra water if you need to, and I think that's really important. Don't make it so dry that it's really a pain for you to work with. It should be like a smooth yogurt. With most hennas that you're going to use to be coloring your hair, you allow this mixture to sit to the side for at least an hour to release the dye. But in this case, we don't want to release any dye, so we're actually just going to go ahead and put it on right after this. Alright guys, so here are the results. As you can see, my hair color is not changed and it's not redder as it usually would be when I do my henna. At the top where I had previously kind of damaged my roots, and it is a little bit lighter, you can also see that it's not red. It's just very shiny. It's so strong and thick right now. It just feels so, but also soft at the same time. So I definitely say my first time trying neutral henna is a success. I'm really glad I tried it, and I recommend it for anyone who doesn't want to color their hair but just wants to bring all of the same healthy benefits other than that of henna. I think I'm actually even going to maybe make James try this. Shampoo commercial. I want to say thanks so much to Light Mountain Natural for sponsoring this video. I've been using Light Mountain from the very beginning, from my very first henna video, and I think it's so cool that now I get to work with them and they help me bring videos about henna to you guys. I'll put all the links in the info box below to their site where you can get this henna, and also to all of my other henna videos in case you're looking for different colors or different experiments. You can see everything I've done. I'm always answering questions about henna either through Instagram or through my comments in my videos, so if I left anything out, please put it in the comments. I hope you guys like this video, and please subscribe so you don't miss any videos from me. You can always come check out my website, jessiesage.com, and I can also try to answer some of your henna questions there if it needs to go more into detail with photos and stuff like that. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.